Sikat na sikat daw tong donut na to sa Los Angeles, USA. Kaya naman nakaka-excited try dahil laging ang haba ng pila. And for today's video, wala lang ang pila kaya naman nag-try na kami. So I ordered their 3 bestsellers, the Nutella, Ferrero, and S'mores. Since nag-offer din sila ng coffee, nag-order din ako ng coffee jelly to go with my donuts. And now, it's time for tasting. Okay, so I don't want to sound maarte or very food critic, pero sa totoo lang, mas madami pang mas masarap dito. Though the size of the donut is good for its price, pero parang nakukulangan ako sa lasa ng donut. Plus, the donut bread itself is not soft or dahil gabi na lang ako bumili kaya medyo matigas na. And for the flavor naman, like the Ferrero, hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi ko malasahan yung Ferrero chocolate or baka nawalan lang ako ng panlasa. Char. Honestly speaking, panalo pa rin yung kinalakahan nating donut. But still grateful dahil natikman namin ang